Hi friends, welcome back to MDA Workshops. Today we are going to make a wireless car. So watch the video till end because there is a small surprise for our subscribers. So let's get started. So take PVC sheet as base and take 4 wheels required for TT motors. Take 4 TT gear motors, 12 volts LED strip, addressing module with motor driver, and transmitter module with address module. And this is our transmitter and receiver with 2.4 GHz. So first we are going to make chassis of the car with using TT motors and a PVC base. So attach the 4 TT motors with glue gun, very strong. So guys who are watching till now, if you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe. What are you waiting for? After attaching 4 motors properly to the PVC base, so guys wait few minutes. After gluing it, let it dry properly. I think it's looking good. So now we are going to cut long wires according to the length required. So cut the ends of the wires for soldering properly. And don't forget to like the video. After cutting the wires ends properly, we should have to use parallel connections to the motor. So we need few jumper wires, female to normal wire. So do the proper connections, black to black, red to red, left motors and the right motors as well. So connect the red wire, jumper wire to the red to connect the driver module, and black jumper wire to black wire, same as right side also, left side. Gray color to red and white color to gray color to black and white color to red. So do soldering properly, because if the soldering is not good, it can damage to your hands too. So we are using heat sleeves to protect the soldering and the wire. So guys, use careful, use the heat gun very carefully. It is very powerful, guys. So we are using a 12 volt strip for lighting as a front panel. So we are attaching the positive negative terminals of LED to the motor's negative one side and positive one side. You can follow the full process as shown in this video. So guys, I think looks or presentation are very important. So we are gluing the wires very properly in a good manner. And now let's take receiver module, addressing module, and attach the motor driver. Now take the receiver antenna and give connection as follows. There are D1, D2, D3, D4. Number add red and black to D1 and D2, and D3, D4 for white and black. And this is 12 volts 18650 battery pack. So guys, connections are very easy. These are the basic connections. So guys, I have forgotten to tell you that this is a 4x4 car, so it can go anywhere. And yeah, we can change some design for off-roading too. So guys, this is a positive and this is negative. And let's press here you go, the lights is powered on. So let's go to the transmitter part. Take 9 volts battery and attach the backside of the transmitter, and take a transmitter module and attach with the module. For proper presentation, take a double side tape and attach to the backside of 9 volts battery. So here you go, the working model is ready, a 4x4 car with off-roading. So let's power on. So guys, it's working properly. So guys, some components are not available in online and offline because they are available in some kits. So further info, comment below. So guys, big thumbs up, it's working perfectly. So guys, I have you told that we have a small subscribe for our subscribers, right? So here you go, we have attached a small tripod to this car so we can see the visuals of the car. So let's see the visuals. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the visuals. So if you have any doubts about this project, you can comment below. And you have any doubts or you want to make these videos in my YouTube channel, you can comment below. If any mistakes are in this video, please do comment so we can try to recover in next videos, right? So guys, your comment is very valuable for us. So please do comment. So guys, our new projects are coming on Bluetooth car, Wi-Fi car and surveillance car in 2024. We are going to rock on YouTube guys. So stay subscribed. Thank you. Thanks for watching MDA Workshops.